Hey team, how's it going? Another Dr. Kerr shares a study. This actually isn't a study. This is an article in U.S. News and World Report. The title of the article is New Insights into How Sleep Apnea Affects the Brain. And so what they did in this study is they essentially put mice into a hypoxic state, meaning their oxygen levels dropped. They made mice's oxygen drop. And then they studied what was actually going on in their body. Again, what they're doing is they're replicating what happens to us when we have sleep apnea or when we stop breathing while we're sleeping. And their finding was that when oxygen levels in the blood drop during sleep apnea, the forebrain sends warning signals to the brainstem area that controls heart and lung functions. By studying these signals, we found that two neurochemicals, oxytocin and CRH, cause the brainstem to become overactive. Over the long term, this brainstem overactivity can trigger both high blood pressure as well as all of his attendant health issues such as stroke. Not only do those with sleep apnea oftentimes have high blood pressure, but they also lose a lot of sleep. Because of this, they have more cognitive and memory issues, and they are more prone to injury at work due to sleepiness. And so this highlights something we've always known, that as you have sleep apnea or you have breathing issues while you're sleeping, you're more likely to have health issues long term, specifically heart attack, stroke, dementia, Alzheimer's, and it's just because of the oxygen desaturation while we're asleep. And so I can't say this enough. If you or one of your partners or one of your friends holds their breath or doesn't breathe while they're asleep, it's terribly important for their life, not only immediately, but for the long term. Reach out to me. Let's get a sleep study. Let's figure out what's going on. We got to sleep well. So if we're not sleeping well, it's very difficult to live well. So again, Max Kerr, thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to talk to you about your sleep. Thank you. Bye-bye.